What we do here is go back.
What's going on, guys? It's Black Widow Supra. Oh, hey, it's Black Widow Supra. All right, cool. I'm here with my buddy David. What's up, David?
What's up?
Dude, what are we about to do?
We're about to drop the trans on this bitch.
Not just the trains. What else?
And the roof.
And
Anything else that we could think of at that moment.
the drive shaft, the clutch, all of it's coming out. So the entire drivetrain of this car is actually coming out today. David and I, how long do you think it'll take us? 2 hours, 3 hours?
2.5.
2.5, maybe 3 hours. Comfortably 2.5, 3 hours. We're about to pull it all out. Stay tuned. You guys get to enjoy. It's the teardown of the Widow. What not to do when lifting a Supra? Oh my God. It is like in the air, and we are trying to get it up completely off the ground to remove the transmission, but David here has decided the Supra needs to be floating in my garage.
It's a magic carpet, right?
It is right now a magic carpet. This is like literally scaring the shit out of me, but David's the man, so I'm gonna trust his expertise on this. But oh my God. Full send coming soon. All right, guys, quick update. Got the headlights out, the front bumper's off. Everything's all starting to clear up. We're gonna have to fix this fiberglass here. We're gonna have to take these rotors off and spray all this rust back to black, make it look nice and clean. Redo those calipers, nice and bright red. The front mount, we're probably gonna change for a bigger front mount, maybe a nicer one, I'm not sure. We're definitely gonna take off the intercooler piping, and we're gonna send that to powder coat and get that all done. The turbo's gonna come off, it's going to black. All the intercooler piping is gonna come off this car. We've got David down here. David, how's our trans looking?
It's ready to come out.
It's ready to come out?
Oh, damn right.
That's what she said. That is what she said. Guys, we got the wheels off. They're all cleaned up and polished, and they're gonna go off to the wheel place and get all polished and brand new. We got a new set of wheels coming. I'm not revealing that till later, but the whole back end of the car is completely torn apart now. We're gonna be dropping the differential here in a few minutes after we get the transmission out. I'll be updating you guys, so stay tuned. Black Widow out. All right, guys, so it's official. It's out! Hey, look at that sexy transmission. T56 Tremec Magnum, grannas Racing, right here if you want one for a 2J. Ah! Oh my God, this whole car's torn apart. Hi, John!
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm stealing your compression tester.
You are stealing my compressor. Why are you stealing my compressor tester?
Because people
Get back here.
Because people blow things up.
People do blow things up. People blow things
I
up.
should never saw.
David! Wait, how dirty are you? Scale of 1 to 10.
Not that bad.
Oh my God,
I'm still clean.
You look black.
This is, this is like girl perfume.
Oh my God, guys. David. Oh my God. How bad is it? The clutch is gone. Like, gone is an understatement. Yeah. Oh my, look at the scorched on the flywheel. Look at that.
Go down the ranks.
Oh my God. Look how toasted it is. Holy shit. It has meat on it though.
Yeah, it does.
Why was it slipping so bad?
Could be other reasons.
Could have been the spring failure. I don't know.
We're gonna put a new one in anyways.
Yeah, we are. Definitely gonna put a new clutch in. You guys don't get to find out about that until a little later, but so that's done. Trans is out. It's all sitting there. It's all pretty and all nice. And wait, what is this? We pulled out the differential. Dave, why'd we pull out the differential?
Oh, we're gonna make it nice and sexy.
We are. Wait, is it going to Titan?
Is it going to Titan? I don't know. Is that a secret?
I think it's going to Titan Motorsports. Is it going to Titan Motorsports?
Ooh, I don't know.
Is it getting OS Geiken? Is it?
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe OS Geiken. Real parts installed on the Widow for once. Thank God. Okay, so let's do an update real quick. As we crawl under here, you can barely see anything. Everything is gone. I mean, the drive shaft is out. The whole tunnel is completely gone. It's black as shit on my camera, but you can see all this oil up here. David, shine the light up here. See all this oil underneath here? We have a bad oil leak. We're gonna fix that. She's not gonna be leaking any more oil. This steering rack is loose. We're gonna fix that. Trying to get you guys a good light. Let me go behind it. Let's go behind it. Let's go behind it. It's in the air. I know, Kyle. I'm such a bad videographer. All right, here we go. You can see it a little better. But the differential's out. Axle's just chilling there. Other axle's over there. Exhaust we didn't have to take off, thank God. But we're gonna have to take this diffuser off. This rear diffuser is gonna have to come off because, believe it or not, we are going to be vinyl wrapping the Supra. That's right. We're gonna be taking off this rear quarter panel. We're gonna be drilling out all these rivets and then pulling off the panel and seeing how bad it is. But from what I can tell, the fenders aren't cut. What does that mean? That means we could actually go back to a stock looking Supra. Now, the Widow's been known to have a wide body, and you know, it is what it is. And finding wheels for it was always a nightmare. But I did find a really kick-ass set of wheels, and they're willing to work with us, which is great. So stay tuned because we are getting new wheels for the Supra. This was just kind of like an update vlog on basically everything that we're doing to the Supra. We are completely redoing this front bumper. I mean, it's gonna look all spiffy and spaffy. All these scratches are gonna be gone. All this is gonna get repaired and cleaned up. All the rock chips that you see here are gonna be all sanded down. And it's gonna be all nice and new. The crack here is gonna get repaired. So this whole bumper is gonna get repaired. We've got, these are kind of old and they don't really work too well with the Supra, so I might order some new ones. But we have some tinted tail turn signals and side signals. I might order some new ones. Haven't really figured out what I'm gonna do there. Under the hood, we're gonna do some basic stuff. Cylinder 3 is actually kind of bad. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the valve covers off and look and see if we have any damage to our actual, to our valve. Maybe have something bent or something along those lines. Might pull the head, have it hot tanked and taken care of and revalved and springed and all that jazz. Definitely gonna pull the turbo off. Definitely gonna pull off the intercooler piping, powder coat it all black, do the intercooler black, clean up the whole engine bay. Everything's gonna be nice and new and clean. We're gonna find a place for this power steering pump reservoir. Again, we're gonna take this catch can off because this thing is covered in oil. It's never been cleaned. I don't know if you can see that. Wait, can you see that? David, where's your light? Give me your light. All right, I'm gonna steal a light from David. So we're gonna go ahead and clean that that horrendous catch can. That is absolutely goo-goo. But yeah, we're gonna do all of this this awesome stuff and clean everything. So I hope you guys are ready for it because she's getting a lot of love. Also, the headlights getting completely refreshed. Super excited about that. They're gonna look absolutely titties.
2.0?
2.0?
2.0.
2.0. All right, stay tuned. Oh boy. Redox bumper. What? I know the light difference is gonna make things a little crazy, but we have the differential, we have the transmission, and we have the clutch. Now I have to pick all this crap up and throw it in the Raptor. What's going on, guys? All right, so officially you just saw the teardown of the Widow, the beginning of the teardown. Now we're gonna start pulling the panels off this week. We're gonna be doing a lot of crazy shit to it. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on everything that we're doing. I'm here with Danny, the No Good Racing, Real Kenji Inspire. I'll put his Instagram right here. You guys gotta go follow this guy. Dude, this is the cleanest right-hand drive Civic I have ever seen. I mean, this thing is absolutely tits as, I mean, I'm gonna open it up just because I can. But this steering wheel, look at that. Real No Good Racing steering wheel. I mean, this car is absolutely, he daily drives this. Believe it or not, he daily drives it. And this is not vinyl wrap. This is actual paint. The entire car has been painted this way. It's a real No Good Racing car, which is actually kind of cool. If you guys don't know anything about No Good Racing, they're like an old school Japanese Honda gang, and they did a lot of street racing and all this other crazy shit in Japan. I don't know a lot about them, but I do know that they're like OG as fuck, like massively OG. So definitely go follow this guy. Again, the updates on the Supra. We have so much going on with the Supra. It's not even funny. We are doing
it's going to look like a totally different car. I'm actually kind of scared because I haven't ever changed anything on it. I haven't changed the paint. I changed the wheels a couple of times, but it kind of went back to the same thing. This is a totally different thing we're doing. So I'm really kind of nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I hope you're enjoying everything. Please hit that subscribe button. Guys, I know it's a tough thing to do, but it's like right there. I'm trying to rebuild this channel back to 130,000 subscribers strong and get going again. I mean, we're getting there. We're moving. We're doing what we got to do. But like I said, I'm working my ass off here trying to get things done. Guys, please hit that subscribe button. You have no idea how much that means to me. The like button right there. Notification bell, ding. It's up there in the corner. Guys, I'm Black Widow Supra. I will catch you on the flip side. I will see you later. Peace out. Love you all. Fuck off. R.I.P. Turbo, my dudes. R.I.P. Turbo.
My pussy.
Deuces.